Hello everyone, welcome to this demo where we'll be showcasing how in our app we use Amazon Bedrock to generate both text and images using AI. So whether you are a content creator, a marketer, or just someone looking to explore AI's capabilities, this app makes it incredibly easy to bring your ideas to life. So let's dive in, but before that, let's talk about Amazon Bedrock. Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service that lets you build and scale generative AI applications using foundation models from various providers. You don't need to worry about the complexities of setting up infrastructure, managing data, or fine-tuning models. It offers access to a range of models like Anthropic's Claude for text generation and Stability AI's models for image generation. And the best part is you can integrate these models directly into your applications using simple API calls. With Amazon Bedrock, you get the flexibility to choose the right model for your specific needs, whether it's conversational AI, content generation, or image creation. So now that you have a clear understanding of what Amazon Bedrock is, let's jump into the exciting part, which is the demo. So we are currently in the directory of the app and now we'll just start the app. So for that, I'll go into the directory even in the terminal where the files related to the apps are, and then I'll just run the command. So by running this command, we'll make the app live locally, which it is now, and then I'm just going to open it in a browser. So this is the interface of the app. It's pretty straightforward and very intuitive. And as soon as we access the app, we are brought to the text generator section first. So let's start with text generation. Here again, I would like to emphasize that we are using Amazon Bedrock and the LLMs that are provided by it. So we can easily generate human-like text with models like Anthropic's Claude or Amazon's own model Titan and several other models as well. So let's just check it out. Here we have the settings button. If I click on it, here I'll have some parameters that I can set. The first parameter is the AI model, or basically the LLM of choice. Alright, so currently it's set to Titan Text Express, but there are other versions of Titan as well, like Titan Text Lite. And then we have Nova Pro, Nova Micro, Cloud models by Anthropic, Llama models by Meta, and then we also have Minstrel. So currently we'll go ahead with Amazon's own model, which is Titan Text Express. All right, and then we can also set the response of the length to manage the tokens that we are generating. So currently for the purpose of this demo, we have set it to 100. All right, but it can be modified as per requirement. And then this is the creativity level and the response diversity as well. So all that have been set to a slightly higher value because we want more creativity to be reflected from the responses that we are generating and the diversity as well. So I'll just apply the settings, and here we get the message that okay, the settings that we have currently chosen have been applied. All right, and now we'll just try it out. All right, so I'll give in a prompt. I'll just ask it to write a product description for a smartwatch. All right, all right, so now I'll just ask it to generate the text. And here we have the text as well. Now we also have the option to download this text or copy it to the clipboard so that we can easily paste it somewhere else. So again, we can use a similar kind of prompt. I'll just make it write a product description for a television this time. All right, so okay, so we have here seen two examples of text generation using Titan Text Express. Now let's try out another model. Let's go with Titan Text Lite, and here also I'll ask it to write a short poem on mother. All right, so I'll ask it to generate a text, and you can see here that like instantly the response is there according to our preferences, which is basically the token limit and the settings for the creativity and diversity. So this is how text generation can be embedded into your applications or your existing platforms using Amazon Bedrock. You only need to call the API for it, and all of these models would be available for you to select from. All right, and now this can be incredibly useful for tasks like content creation or drafting emails or even writing reports or poems, as we have seen in this example. Now, next, let's take a look at image generation. So here I've clicked on the tab for image generator and we are here. All right. So for the image generator, we are using a very specific model which is provided by Amazon itself, which is Amazon's Titan image generator. All right, so this is the only model that we are going to go ahead with in this section. But Amazon Bedrock also provides a few other models as well to generate image. For example, Nova's Canvas is there, but currently it's not available in our region, so we could not integrate that into the app, but it is certainly available in a select few regions. All right, so now that we are in the settings, we can also check out what other parameters we can set. So here we can also set the quality of the image that is to be generated. We'll stick to the standard one only for this demo, and we can also define the dimensions of the image. So we can also set seeds for reproducible results. All right, so same seed and prompt will generate similar images in that context. So like if you want reproducibility as a factor in there, so you can do that by coming here in the settings and setting a value for the seed and using it over and over again with the same prompt. All right, and then we have the prompt guidance as well. Again, this is a rating for how creative the response should be based on the prompt that we are giving in. All right, so now let's just try out the image generator as well. I would give it a prompt which would be a seashell near the shore. All right, and I'll generate the image. Now the prompt is being passed to the model and it is generating the image in the background, and you could see here that this is the image that is generated, and it's so realistic and the clarity is also really good, like based on the dimension of the image. All right, so as you could see that we have given the dimension of a square, so the image is also squarish in nature, meaning that it is following from the settings that we have already provided. All right, and then you also have the option to download the image as well. Let's just try out one more prompt and see how it works. So I would write a tulip field. And you can see that, yeah, it is strictly following from the prompt, and the generated images quality is also really nice. Let's just try out one more and then we'll be done with this. So a futuristic city skyline at sunset. So you can see how wonderful the generated images are. So this is a very powerful use case which can be used to create marketing materials, concept art, or any visual content without needing advanced designing skills or without needing to understand AI as well, because you just need to put in your prompt access the model using Amazon Bedrock. Bedrock is already maintaining everything on its end, so you don't really need to worry about the other technicalities of using any LLM model or image generation model as well. All right, and that's it for the demo. As you can see, with Amazon Bedrock, text and image generation becomes seamless and almost instantaneous, which helps you bring your ideas to life faster and more efficient. So let's move on to the next section now. So now that you have seen how our app works with Amazon Bedrock, let's explore some practical use cases where text and image generation can make a real difference. So the first use case is in content creation. For businesses, generating blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions becomes much faster with AI-powered text generation, and marketing teams can create engaging content in seconds. Next, we have customer support. With AI-generated responses, companies can enhance their customer support systems, providing accurate and human-like replies to common queries, reducing wait times and improving user satisfaction. Another use case can be found in visual design assistance. Graphic designers can use AI to generate concept art, product mockups, or website banners quickly. Even if you are not a designer, you can bring creative ideas to life using image generation models. Another use case can be found in e-commerce personalization. Retailers can use AI to generate personalized product recommendations, descriptions, or even visuals that match customer preferences, creating a more engaging shopping experience. And lastly, it can also be used in education and training. Educational platforms can use AI to generate learning materials, summaries, and visual content to simplify complex topics, making learning more accessible and interactive. So these are just a few examples of how Amazon Bedrock can transform workflows across industries. The possibilities, though, are endless, and AI-powered applications are only getting better. That brings us to the end of our demo and use case discussion. As you have seen, Amazon Bedrock makes it incredibly easy to integrate powerful AI capabilities into your applications, whether it's generating text, creating images, or enhancing user experience. Now it's your turn to explore the possibilities. If you're ready to build AI-powered apps or want to see how Amazon Bedrock can transform your business, why not get started? You can reach out to us via our email ID, which is contact@codersarts.com, or you can visit our website, which is www.codersarts.com. You can also find our social media handles in the description box down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.